Another purchase from eBay. Let's check out what I got. It's here. So I got one, and we are going to put some power in. And we want to see exactly what the problem is with this thing. Let me just check this area here. Okay, everything looks good here. I mean, this thing looks like new. So, okay, here we go. Power's on. And doesn't show anything. No charging, nothing. Ooh. So yeah, trying to hold the power button down. It's blinking red, which means the battery's trying to charge. Weird. So we're gonna leave it alone for a second and then try again. Real quick, I only lift up the edges enough just to get the screws out. Same thing all around. I never peel it all the way out. That way you don't, remove the glue, and it's easy to just reuse it. So here's the 4 screws that I pulled out from the bottom, and now we're gonna proceed. Next, we're gonna pry the sides to get this bottom piece out. So just start prying right over there until you get it out. So I'm using 2 of these little plastics tools to kind of pry it out. So you do one side at a time, and it pops. Once it pops, you keep going all the way around and get the whole thing to pop. There we go. So right now we're gonna pop this side, and then it comes right out just like that. So it's a bunch of clips that secures the bottom. Next, we're gonna remove these 4 screws just to get to the power supply, which is right down here. 4 screws have been removed. Now you can see how it comes right out, and we could just unplug it. But I'm not going to unplug it because I want to run some tests. Let's see. So this here is where the power comes in. This board is looking okay. I don't see any visible issues yet. Oh, I do. What is that? Look at that, guys. Totally destroyed. I don't know how that happened. Not sure if somebody opened this already and tried to do a repair and putting it back. They destroyed it. But for us, look, we found a damaged cable. So I'm gonna unplug this, and yeah, we are going to try to fix this cable. I don't know what really happened. It looks bad. Look at that. It looks very bad. So yeah, that's gonna be our first focus right now, is fix that. Okay, we're going to repair this. So that's how we're gonna do it. This area is kind of tight. I don't feel like taking the whole thing apart, so I'm gonna try my best like this. I'm gonna use this little piece of wire here. Should be enough to do this. Okay, so this is what I have, and I'm going to try to connect them together. I'm going to start with this end. Just going to go like this, open it up a little. Let's open it up a little more. I want to get them to marry these two, just like that. And we're going to use these little plier here. Let's put some more light up in here. Kind of dark. There we go. Nice and tight. Okay, that looks good. We're going to do the same thing with this end. So, actually, let me solder this one first, and then we'll do the other end. Okay, let's do. Yep. So yeah, we're gonna remove this little plastic. We're gonna cut it a little short so we can make it identical. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna protect this wire, and we are going to use this. Okay, check out our finished product. I'm very happy with it. So we're gonna go ahead and put this together and test and see if this solves our problem. Okay, here we go. The moment of the test. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this one first. Which goes like this. And then this area, I wanna make sure this area is good. Okay, that looks good. So let's plug it. Got it. And I'm just gonna place it just like this. Okay, and let's apply some power. But before we do so, I want to flip it upside down while I'm holding this. Actually, let's just let's put one screw on it. Oh, wrong one. Black screw. Okay. There we go. Plug. And what do we see? Whoa. Now it looks like it's charging. Before it wasn't. Yep. That was our problem. Now we are charging. Ha, this is amazing. This was an easy fix. Let's see if we can turn it on. Oh yes. And it's still charging. So guys, we're gonna let this battery charge, but this was an easy repair. I'm gonna pair it up really quick and do a quick little test. Okay, so let's go with the pairing. We're gonna hold this down. It's in pairing mode. And let's go ahead and find it. Bluetooth. JBL PartyBox on the go. Yeah, let's go to Bluetooth list. There you go. JBL PB Encore Essential. That's it. Let's pair that up. Yep, it's connected. We can play something off of YouTube real quick. Let's see what we have. Some 90s.
Take the bass line up.
Woo, very loud. For copyright reasons, we're not gonna blow it up, but look at that, just got the boost. Let's try that real quick. Wow, this little thing is very powerful, man. Very powerful. And also, we're gonna see real quick if it works with the app. So we just connected to the app. Oh, look at it right there, right up in the top. So this is also gonna tell us if there's any firmware updates. Which a lot of times I don't like doing updates, but look at this, it's beautiful, right? It shows that it's charging, 21% charge. Right now, 21% is good enough. Let me unplug this and see if it stays on. Yes, it stays on. So that is great, bro. Oh, I'm so freaking happy to be able to solve this quickly. But yeah, oh yeah. There's no firmware updates. It seems to be up to date. But guys, this repair is completed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.